So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a work profile on Android. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your settings and locate it. So here we're gonna have to go to my settings, which is right here. So from there, just scroll down and locate your Google. So this used to be an account in Sync, but now you can just check it out in Google. So this is the new way to do it. So from here, all you have to do is wait for it to load up, and then all you have to do is go to all services. And remember, just scroll down and pick setup and restore, as you can see right here. So yeah, go to setup and restore and set up your work profile. So after you've done that, it's gonna download and just press next. So just press next right there, and then only you can scan your own QR code right here, or you can enter your code manually from your IT admin. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.